are formed in pyramids according to the model range. A special leaflet contains complete information about the model, including the internal code of the plant, product numbering, and the order number. The glass cut is placed on racks and moved to so-called Modern cars are complex mechanisms which consist of multiple parts. Unarguably, automotive glass is one of the most important parts which define the looks and the safety of a car. Automotive glass is made. The technological process begins with the delivery of the glass. Glass sheets arrive in sealed containers. The size varies depending on what type of glass is needed for production. The glass is unloaded and put in so-called cassettes. They are called a pyramid for the preservation of the glass. After receiving the glass material at the production facility, workers select the proper form according to the plan. All parameters, color, and size are described in a technical task. The glass is unloaded by an overhead crane. This is the cutting and fracture section, where the glass processing begins. The glass is cut by automated machines according to the target program. These machines are high precision, thanks to which errors during the glass processing stage are kept to a minimum. The glass processing continues on a special cutting table where the material will be cut into parts. According to the model range, the so-called boxes are selected. The glass is cut in two stages. First, a square is cut in a box, and then a specific model is produced in the appropriate size. The preparation of a specific model is now ready. The surface is thoroughly cleaned of fine dust and debris after each cut. The parts which are not needed are sent for recycling after the glass is cut. After the break process, models are formed in pyramids according to the model range. A special leaflet contains complete information about the model, including the internal code of the plant, product numbering, and the order number. The glass cut is placed on racks and moved to so-called settlers. Glass of each form has a specially designated settler waiting for its further processing. The next stage of production is contour processing, or facet. This is done both manually and with the help of computer number control machines. A diamond tool is used for processing the contour. Water applied for cooling the glass also flushes the dust. An operator controls the process by checking contour edges. The windshield consists of two parts. PVB material, polyvinyl butyrol film, is laid between them. The thickness of the windshield is about 2.5 centimeters. There is glass of different segmentation with cutouts and several holes. Then the glass is divided into two types, the so-called first number, which is washed, and the second number, which is washed and immediately painted. Here, the principle on which a dishwasher functions is applied. The glass is prepared for painting after it is checked for scratches, defects, and chips. Painted glass is inspected on stands, put into pyramid forms, and transported to special settlers. Later, the glass is put into 4 different furnaces. They are a small-sized and large-sized windshield, which have a single bend radius and a double bend radius, respectively. In accordance with the technical draft and the ARC, line workers form the glass and send it into a heated furnace. There it is heated and cooled and hardened. This ensures that the glass has high strength and resistance to impact. In the wiping zone, the glass is cooled, thus transforming it into a semi-finished product. The glass is almost ready. In the cooling zone, there are regulating sectors which are selected by the process of glass deflection to thoroughly quench the material. The two parts of the windshield, painted and unpainted, are sent to the laminating zone. There they are glued together by means of a film that prevents the glass from swelling. Lamps for detecting defects on the glass are installed along the conveyor belt. One of the last stages is the process of heating the glass to a certain temperature and squeezing it in order to abstract the residual air. The glass is now ready. It is sent to the settler of a finished windshield. At the final stage, the glass is modified in accordance with the customer's order: molding, contacts, sensors, and fastening. After that, the produced glass goes to the mandatory testing stage. If one piece of glass fails to pass the laboratory test, the whole lot will be eliminated. The glass is specially tested for heat resistance and many other indicators. According to European norms, each batch of glass should undergo mechanical and optical tests. After all tests are conducted, the batch is sent to a storage area and then to the consumer.